Kintsugi tutorial video. It's very important to protect from your skin irritation by Urushi during Kintsugi. So tie your hair back when you do Kintsugi. Wear an apron to protect clothes from getting Urushi. Then apply the hand cream to protect your skin. Wear the out covers and long sleeves to protect your skin. You should always wear the rubber gloves while working on Kintsugi. Please buy additional gloves since our Kintsugi kit has only one pair of rubber gloves. If skin contact occurs, immediately wipe it off, wash well with soap, and rinse it off. Rapeseed or canola oil is the best, but use vegetable oil otherwise. So let's try Kintsugi kit. It's now on sale. We are not perfect incorporated.